I think it's really important that women pursue careers in trades because as individuals, whether they're men or women, we all bring individual characteristics and qualities and strengths to jobs.
If I never see a woman working under the hood of a car, or I never see a woman in a welding booth, it's far too easy for me to jump to the conclusion that there's a valid, good reason for that. I might not believe that I, as a woman, could do those things, even if I might naturally be interested in those. On the contrary, if I do see a woman working under the hood of a car, or I do see a woman in a welding booth, and I do have those interests, that might give me the confidence that I need to pursue that. It's that if someone else can do it, so can I mentality. So I think it's about representation.
It could be tough. There's a lot of people who are still surprised to hear that I'm a woman and a welder, and there are a lot of people, though, that are getting more used to seeing women in non-traditional occupations. So I find a lot of people are very accepting, and they're getting used to working alongside women.
Every group that I've encountered are very helpful. They want you to succeed. And I think the roles of male-female are thankfully getting very blurred.
There could be all kinds of folks in your life who might be discouraging you, or who might be telling you to pursue something else, or trying to guide you to pursue something else. And it's going to take quite a bit of grit to counter that and to stand up for what you really want to do. So I think it is about self-advocacy. It's about pursuing what interests you unapologetically, and believing that you can be successful.
I was raised, you can do anything and have anything you want. It's just sometimes you have to work a little harder for it. So I let them know, both male and female, because it can be a very tough job.
I'm really proud that we have 2 women in non-traditional occupations teaching in Wautoma, with Jessie in welding and Julie in truck driving. Fox Valley really is embodying what I was just talking about. We have women in these positions who are role models to young women who might want to come into these trades. They can talk about their experiences. They can talk about what went well, what some of those pain points were, and how they got through those. And I think that these women really are an inspiration to others who might want to follow similar career paths.